So here's the guinea pigs snuggling up. I put down this blanket for them, and guess who's snuggling? Hello? Hello? Who's under there? Who is it? What you doing? What you doing? It's okay. You like to snuggle? Who else is under there? Who's under the other part? Who's under the other part? Hello? Peekaboo, who is under there? Who is it? Who is it? Is it Baby Jane? She's snuggling. Up! Isabel. Hello. Peekaboo. Peek. I see you under there. I see you. Peekaboo. It's okay.